My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle has done just under 51,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of the steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons on the left we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, car and menu. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button we can switch between normal, sport, eco and individual. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.